I was looking for a software development company to create a customer portal so that we can streamline communication with our customers and improve customer service and satisfaction.
Yeah, before working with ORIL, used 4 or 5 systems inside of a regular finance company and inside of a dealership. You would have to re-enter data point 60, data point 70, data points over and over and over again, causing error, just inefficiency.
What ORIL did first was to help me better understand what the challenges were and what the potential solution, can be, and how a software program can address those challenges.
In the sense that they spent a lot of time understanding what it was I was trying to build, as well as had that full in-house ability to do everything that I needed of UI, web server, back-end management, and finally just project management itself.
What we're pleased with ORIL is really focusing on identifying the requirements before we started development, so we didn't get ahead of ourselves and we were able to complete the months-long project we were engaged with on time.
I feel like that a lot of it was taken off my shoulder with having ORIL managing a project and scaling, helping to build the technology to scale the platform.
We now have a much easier conversation to bring on lenders, finance companies, banks, credit unions, really opening the door for the ecosystem to just continue to grow and strengthen.
The process was very satisfying, I think, for MediBio, right? We got it done. We got it done on time, and we got what we needed.
I think now with this software, it's less effort from my team and also better customer satisfaction.
One thing I really love about ORIL is they do their own quality control, their own checks, and when they produce something, you know it's going to work and it's going to be solid.
I can't say enough about your team's effort in actually getting the idea from an email, from a Slack, and from even a scope of work to really asking the right questions, how it's going to function as a business logic, how it's going to function as a technology logic, and really mirroring those two together so you're delivering a product that people can use.
That's just one of the best areas of ORIL is you guys are great at communication and being professional, and then also giving us a good idea of what our project can be like.
Whereas ORIL, they can think clearly, their judgment is good, and in many circumstances where I can just leave a problem in their hands and they can come up with a really good, professional, neat solution to it.
Definitely sit with the team, get to know them, for a couple of weeks, and you'll find that you have a real partner that will help you grow long term.
So ORIL does a lot more engagement than I've seen from others. That they're looking bigger picture. They're working on the relationships and all that, not just building the software. ORIL has the full suite in-house of design and development. They can see the solution from end to end and also exercise good judgment and filling in those small gaps in detail. Working with ORIL has been a very positive experience. A way of working is to take personal responsibility, right? Personal investment in the product, in the project. And we absolutely saw that across the levels in the team we worked with from ORIL.
Anybody considering using ORIL, I would say you are going to get incredible value out of the relationship.
Don't shop around. You don't need to. You're going to find everything you need to bring your vision to life with ORIL.